Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. Today we are going to talk about something deeply personal and often misunderstood, your shadow. Not the version of you that the world sees, but the parts of you you have learned to hide. The emotions that felt too much, the reactions you judged, the pieces of yourself that at some point did not feel safe to express. You tucked them away. But your shadow was never meant to be hidden. It has always been waiting to be seen with love. The truth is, we don't fear our shadow because it's dangerous. We fear it because somewhere along the way, we were taught to fear ourselves. Maybe you learned that certain feelings means rejection, or certain parts of you made others uncomfortable. So your mind and body did what they needed to protect you. They created distance between you and those parts. But your shadow isn't your enemy. It's a wounded part of you that still carries your past, quietly asking to be understood. Meeting your shadow does not require to dive into everything at once. It doesn't ask you to relieve pain or force healing before you're ready. It begins softly with awareness. The next time you feel triggered, whether it's an irritation, insecurity, or the urge to react, pause for a moment. Instead of pushing it away, gently ask yourself, what part of me is asking to be seen right now? Not judged, not fixed, just seen. That small shift alone creates space for healing. As you begin to notice these moments, bring compassion into the experience. Because when your shadow appears, it's easy to fall into self criticism. You might think, why am I still like this? Or I thought I already healed this. But healing does not happen through judgment, it happens through understanding. So instead of turning against yourself, turn inward with softness. Remind yourself, it makes sense that I feel this way. This part of me is trying to protect me. I am safe to feel this. In that gentleness, you create a sense of inner safety your shadow has always needed. And with time, allow curiosity to guide you. Your shadow carries wisdom, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Every trigger, every emotional reaction is pointing towards something deeper, a belief, a wound, or a memory waiting to be acknowledged. Instead of asking, what's wrong with me, try asking, what is it trying to teach me? Let yourself listen, not just with your mind, but with your heart. You don't have to rush this journey. Shadow work is not about becoming perfect, it's about becoming whole. It's about gently reclaiming the parts of yourself that had to be hidden just to feel loud, and slowly, lovingly bringing those parts back home to you. Even the willingness to look within is already a step toward healing. So, if fear comes up when you think about meeting your shadow, it's okay. Go slowly. Be kind to yourself. You're building trust within your own heart, and that takes time. And I want you to remember that there is nothing within you that love cannot hold. Not your anger, not your sadness, not your past. You're not too much and you're not broken. You're simply becoming more aware, more present, more whole. And maybe this message found you today for a reason. Maybe a part of you is ready to be seen, not with fear, but with gentleness. Wherever you are in this journey, trust that you're allowed to take this one small step at a time. You're allowed to heal slowly. You're allowed to soften into yourself. If this resonated with you, I'm grateful you were here with me today. You're not alone on this journey, and your healing is unfolding exactly as it is meant to you. And if this space feels supportive you're always welcome to return for more gentle reminders, healing, and connection. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.